Exposing the horror in survival, a plane crash. One left standing, deep in the woods wreckage smolders, a lone figure stumbles out gasping for air, silence. Then, strange whispers, shadows dance between twisted trees, he hears it again, a chilling call from the darkness. Each night the sounds grow louder, closer, he tries to escape, but the forest, it has other plans. Friends and rescuers who venture in, never return. They say he's changed. Eyes hollow, voice strange. Did the crash awaken something, or did it follow him from the wreckage? Survival has its price. And this forest? It always collects.